Hello everybody and welcome to my first tutorial on how to set up, work, and download Vivado. So let's get right to it. So first of all, you want to go to the Real Digital website right here. You click on Digital Logic. You click on Introduction to the Blackboard, Vivado and Verilog. And you complete the first tutorial. And we go right here. So it directs us to the Xilinx Vivado download page. We go here. What do we need to download is Windows self-extracting web installer. You can of course download the whole file, but I don't recommend that as it creates a lot of problems. So once you download it, it's gonna look something like this. So you open it, you have this window right here. It asks for a user ID and password. On the Real Digital website, you should register yourself. I registered myself with my school email. So now I'm gonna enter my email and password. Good. Then of course we click on agree and go next. What we're looking for is Vivado. You of course click on Vivado. I chose this as it contains most of the stuff we need for the class, so I'm gonna go with this. Now here, I personally don't recommend installing doc navigation system because it just connects the documents from here. Just a second. Documents from here, like resources, to the Vivado. I think it's pointless. Also, we don't need a lot of those. So I'm using Zinc 7000 device, which is this right here. So I'm gonna not install all the other ones because I don't need them. We need cable drivers as they are required for us to work with our Blackboard. License key as well. I'm not sure about WebTalk. I find it kind of useless for me, so I'm not gonna install that. So we go here, we click next. It's gonna install in the directory Xilinx, and then we click next, and we install it. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna return back to the second tutorial on how to make your first project with it.